everyone, welcome to our very first episode. Today, I am super excited to show you something that has completely shifted the game for me, Baidu's new model called ERNIE-Image. This is a DIT model with 8 billion parameters. Now, that might sound small compared to some of the giants out there, but don't let the number fool you. It is absolutely insane when it comes to following complex prompts, and most importantly, it renders text perfectly. Let's dive into my screen. Here in the Ostris AI-Toolkit, you can see the training settings I've chosen for my new LoRA on this model. I've named the job mark_LoRA_V1, and I'm using the trigger word mark. Check out these technical specs. I've set the linear rank to 128. Why? Because I want the model to capture as much detail and nuance from my dataset as possible. I've enabled a wide range all the way up to 1536. This ensures the LoRA can handle various formats, from high-res posters to cinematic shots. I've also set it to 4,000 steps to ensure a stable result, using the Atom W8-bit optimizer. Now, once the training is wrapped up, we move to the fun part, ComfyUI. This is where I plug our new LoRA into the ERNIE-Image-Turbo model. The huge advantage of the Turbo version is the speed. I'm only using 8 steps. It's incredibly fast, and the quality stays top tier. Now, I'm going to demonstrate a few prompts so you can see the results together with our LoRA. That's it for now. In the next few episodes, we'll dive deeper into how to optimize our workflows and get even more complex results. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content. See you later. Bye-bye.